So the overall crypto market is down right now about 0.5%, but Shiba Inu is up about 3%. So I know it's nothing crazy here, but when you're in a boring crypto market, you have to find things to talk about. And I wanted to break this down because there is a reason why SHIB is slightly up here. And it's going back to something we've talked about before. And I know what the haters are going to say. They're going to be like, oh, you know what, Zach, it's up 2.5%, 3%. Who cares? Talk to me when it's up 50, 60, 70%. I know. We all want to get there, right? But regardless, this is still important. The reason why SHIB is slowly outpacing the market today is the whales. Say what you want. And there's a lot of people who want this thing to go up overnight, and they want to become overnight millionaires. SHIB is way too big for it to go up hundreds or thousands of percent overnight anymore. It's just a fact. Does that mean SHIB can't ink more millionaires? No. Does it mean SHIB can't ink more gains and more profits, especially when we get back into a more favorable crypto cycle, crypto market? No. It can definitely do those things. But right now, we always talk about the SHIB whales. They are holding up their end of the bargain right now. That is the reason why we're back up into the low eights. Otherwise, we'd be down with the rest of the market. Okay? Think about this. Overall cryptocurrency market down about 0.5%. Bitcoin, Ethereum's down over 1%. SHIB's up around 3%, going against the grain here. ETH potentially going to fall below 1,600. We'll see. But the SHIB whales are holding up their end of the bargain right now, keeping us right now in the number 15 spot. And they're also getting excited about the, we'll call it, relaunch of Shibarium, right? In terms of getting us back on track in that regard. And they've had some scaling updates. We had one big one we covered yesterday. But yeah, SHIB's currently one of the best performing assets in the top 100 right now. And again, everything's relatively flat. But the Shiba Inu team also released the Genesis of the Shiba State paper. This document talks about every aspect of the SHIB project. Current rally will be short-lived, though, as the larger crypto market's still in a slump, and SHIB might see another correction soon. So we did get a little momentum up indicator here at the 8.1. We popped up to about the 8.3. We're waiting for our next indicator to flash here, at least in the 1 hour time frame. Now, let's go out into the 1 day. We got a momentum down. This indicator came in on the 17th, about 6 days ago. So far, it's doing exactly what we thought it would happen. What would happen? So here's the other thing. Last time we went up, momentum up indicator flashed on July 22nd in the 7-8 level, popped all the way up to the 11 level. So here you go. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.